crispy chicken tacos with an extra spicy salsa, inspired by one of our Griddle crew members who is all over social media, inspiring all of Griddle Nation with all of her cookings, but especially her sauces, which I love.
Love this. What's the
Karina.
KG
Cooks.
I
forget her name? Karina. KG Cooks. She's a star. She's
a rock star, and her salsas are especially incredible. She's done them in molcajetes. I've seen her doing blenders. Either way, tacos and salsa, right?
We've got you. We've got it. She's inspired us, so we're gonna make ours. Chicken thighs, some Fresco cheese. Is that how you say it? Fresco cheese? This one's a hard one for me with all of these words. We're gonna have Karina help us out, and
I'm gonna help out every now and then too. We'll see.
Let's show you how to do it at home. Crispy chicken tacos, we're gonna start off with chicken thighs, a little bit of olive oil over these, and then I like to grate some fresh garlic. We'll season with street taco seasoning. We'll take a lime, cut it in half, save half of this for our salsa, and half of this goes over our chicken. Some fresh cilantro. This can go to the side and marinate. If you let it marinate overnight, it'll be even better. Now it's time to make our salsa. CJ, you are a pro at making salsa.
Thank you.
I love watching you.
Thank you. But I'm not nearly as pro as Karina. So Karina, why don't you kind of walk us through the ingredients that we're going to be throwing in our Blackstone?
To the Blackstone, you're going to be adding half an onion, 3 tomatoes, 2 tomatillos, 3 chile jalapeños, and 3 chiles árbol. And we can't forget the lime.
We'll also cut up some white onion, put that aside. Then it's time to get our chicken down onto our griddle.
Also, I forgot the garlic.
How could you forget the garlic?
I was just so excited about that bouillon that I was like, just...
Bouillon?
Yeah. The bouillon or the
bouillon?
Bouillon.
I don't know how to say it right.
Oh, I kind of sound like Betty not knowing how to say words right.
Anyway, let's give our chicken a flip. Look at the color on this chicken.
The crust is money.
It's the lime juice that really helps it get that beautiful color.
Now the chicken's cooking. Let's talk about these ingredients and kind of what I'm doing here. You're not looking to cook them all the way down. You don't want to go too far because then they're just mushy. I'm going to rotate these every now and then, but you're looking for that nice char. Now, I did forget the garlic, but the beauty of this is garlic cooks so fast. So I've got that I'd say that was probably like 3 or 4 minutes, and we're going to get that off and get ready to go into our blender, but I got to let it cool down for a second. What are we doing next, Betty?
It's time to pull off our chicken. Now, very important, you want to let your chicken rest. This way, all of those juices can redistribute into this plate, because we're going to chop up our chicken once we pull this off into really small pieces. Get it tossed around and all of that juice back on the plate, because when this goes back onto the griddle on our tacos, that juice is going to help crisp up our taco shells.
Yep, love that. Now I've got all the ingredients that I pulled off that have been resting. I'm going to slice off the top of the tomatoes and the tomatillos and the stems from the jalapeños and the serrano. Or we're going to just leave that chile arbor just as is. And then of course all that garlic is just going to be insane. Let's move our lime off here. Let's get that in a blender. And then I'm going to season with some salt, some pepper, and some bouillon, some chicken bouillon. This is actually a really fun technique that I had never done before, but I saw from Karina. Karina, is this like authentic, or is this just something that you came up with? Why do you use this?
I use chicken bouillon in my salsa because growing up my mom always added it to the salsa, so not only does it give it that extra depth of flavor, but it also reminds me of home.
Now we've got all of our ingredients, including some cilantro and the seasonings. Let's get this blended up. This is where you get to kind of have fun with it on your own. If you like it chunky, don't blend it very much. If you like it really smooth, kind of like a cantina salsa.
That's how I like mine.
Okay, well, let's get this kind of like in the middle. So it's like kind of cantina, kind of chunky, but like it's small bites. I love this. It could be hot though. So we're gonna...
This one's spicy for me.
Karina, how hot do you like your salsa? And would you even mix all of these together?
Honestly, Betty, that salsa probably is really hot for you. I would definitely add all those chiles into my salsa because I love my salsa super spicy. Because if it's not spicy, is it even salsa?
All right, well, yeah, we're gonna go on a crazy ledge here, and I tasted it, and it's insanely good. But the last thing that we're gonna do...
I think it's insanely hot.
It is hot.
Let's add a little bit of lime juice and some more fresh cilantro. I like a lot
That's
of
a
it.
lot of
That really-
cilantro.
I feel like it brightens up the sauce.
I agree with you. I like
because
it.
This one is setting me on fire. And some of those finely chopped up onions. Give it a mix. This is done. Now that our salsa is done, we're jumping over to our Fresco cheese. I'm going to crumble this up ahead of time. We've got our chicken diced up. We've got our tortillas ready
So this
to
is
go.
kind of like the thing, have everything ready to go, because it's kind of hot, like you're cruising at this
Correct.
point, right?
You want to rock these out fast, especially
Well,
if
let's
you're
do this
having a
together.
big party.
I love
a
it.
little bit of oil down onto the griddle.
Okay, I'll throw some tortillas down because you're coming behind me with the what?
We'll go down with a handful of that crumbled Fresco cheese.
A decent amount.
Yeah, I like them extra cheesy.
I like them cheesy too.
It's going to also help with that spicy sauce.
That's spicy salsa.
A
Yeah.
handful of our chicken over each taco, a little bit more cheese.
More cheese, baby.
And some cilantro, a little post dust of that street taco seasoning. Let these hang out for a minute or two, and then we're going to grab our tongs or our scraper, however you want to fold these in half. If you need to add more oil to help them crisp up on each side, you can keep flipping.
These are thick. I
Yep.
love this.
They gotta be filled nice and heavy. This really feeds a crowd, which is my favorite style to feed. You
Yeah,
know,
family style. It's not just a clever name.
We'll pull these off, plate these up, a little cilantro over the top, some
A little post of dust.
the
It's tasty,
street
but it's also
taco.
beautiful when it comes to plating.
And now, for those that don't want the salsa, can skip it. But
Yeah. Let's stop talking about it and can we just get into it?
I'm a little.
Andy, you want to
excited
come
for
up and try
these.
this? Mickey, you want to come up and try this? Let's
Oh
go.
my gosh, you gotta taste
Oh,
this
Mickey
salsa.
is
No,
not.
Ethan, you want to come up and try this?
Ethan, nope, you get to stay there.
Oh.
Mick is not gonna want to try the salsa.
It's hot.
It's hot, my love.
I
Like,
know.
yeah, exactly. Here, you can just do.
just a chicken.
Allow me.
I can just do juice.
Juice. Oh, I don't even know if you want to do the juice.
You don't like the juice?
You like the juice?
I'm show.
The Northerners doing it. I
Okay.
mean, a little.
Okay, go for it. Take it away.
Right?
If you say whatever.
If you only put a little bit on there, it's not as spicy as it is when you take a big spoonful.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually perfect, I think. I actually might take. No, it's hot. Karina, it's hot.
How about I help wrap us up here, Karina? How did we do? Is this spicy enough? Is it too spicy?
I think you guys did amazing. That salsa looks delicious, and I would say the spice is perfect. Salsa is supposed to be spicy, isn't it?
Guys, you guys gotta try this at home. Make your salsa on your griddle, whether you like it mild or spicy.
I like it
It's
spicy.
delicious. You guys gotta try it. Make some salsa this summer and show us. Tag Blackstone products. We cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. CJ, thanks
Yep.
for cooking with me.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you letting me hang out and have some fun and making the salsa extra spicy.
Thanks for having me.
Uh-huh.